Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Yogita. Today we are going to learn les formes, the shapes. Let's begin. We studied that le is used for masculine words, la for feminine words. Let's begin. Le carré, square, a four-sided figure. Le triangle, triangle, a three-sided figure. Le rectangle, rectangle. Le cœur, heart. Le losange, rhombus, diamond shape. L'ovale, oval. L'octagon, octagon, eight-sided figure. Now octagon is starting with O, a vowel. Therefore we have used L apostrophe, but octagon is a masculine word. L'étoile, star. Again E is a vowel, so L apostrophe, l'étoile, and étoile is a feminine word. La croix, cross. La croix, cross. Le croissant, le croissant, crescent moon shape, and croissant is a famous delicacy. Croissant. Le cône, cône. Le cône, cône. Le cercle, circle. Le cercle, circle. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching and please share, like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.